Hello everybody and welcome back to our critical vocabulary. It has been a minute as we have just gotten back from fall break. So let's go ahead and hop back into it. So our first word of the day is elegant. Now I'd like y'all to stop and think for a moment what elegant might mean. Someone or something that is elegant is stylish or pleasant to look at. An example used in a sentence is, Cinderella looked elegant in her ball gown at the dance, meaning that it was stylish and very pretty and very nice to look at. Now our next word of the day is foreboding. Now I'd like y'all to stop and think for a sec, based off the picture, what foreboding might mean. If something is described as foreboding, it suggests that something bad is going to happen. So an example used in a sentence is, there were foreboding dark clouds that quickly rolled in from the west, meaning that these dark clouds can mean something bad like a storm or a tornado, or something bad could be going on or coming that way. So our next word of the day is episode. Now I'd like y'all to think for a moment what episode might mean. An episode is an event or period of time that is important in some way. So an example used in a sentence is, the day they broke the school record for tennis was the most memorable episode in their lives so far. Meaning that that was a period of time in their lives that was very important and meant something to them and that they won't forget. Next we have scowled. Now, I'd like y'all to look at the picture and kind of think what scowled might mean. If you scowled, you frowned or had an angry look on your face. An example used in a sentence is, the mother scowled at her son for lying to her, meaning that she didn't look very happy and looked kind of mad that her child had done something he wasn't supposed to. Now our last word of the day is intimidated. So I'd like y'all to stop and think for a moment what intimidated might mean. Someone who is intimidated feels afraid of something or someone. So an example used in a sentence is, we were intimidated by the look on the tiger's face while at the zoo, meaning that the tiger might have been looking at them like he wanted to eat them or go get them. So that is what that is. So that is it for our critical vocabulary words of the day, and I would like y'all to review these, and I will see y'all back for some more tomorrow. Have a good day.